Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company tab for you. 2018 Kubota BX1880. This has an LA 344 quick attach front loader on it. RCK 48-18BX. Apologize there. 48-inch belly mower deck, but it does have this on it. I really don't want to sell it separate. I'm going to sell it as a package. If we have some interest, we will sell this separately. This is about a $3,800 bagger these days. Brand new, very expensive, very nice condition. The only thing you'd have to do is buy a different boot kit. But we are currently going to sell it as a package unless we have an extreme amount of interest in this. I do have, I don't know if you pictured this or not, but we do have all the 3-point stuff, I'm sorry, is there. It actually pins on because this is a RCK 60-26BX style bagger system. So everything is there and complete. 263 hours, folding roll bar. It has the relocate kit on it to move the turn signals up because of having the bagger system on it. And it is an extremely clean tractor. Very, very nice. We're going to start here under the hood. I'm going to take you completely around this tractor. Tractor was a one-owner piece. We have just done a complete and full service on it. All filters and oils have just been changed. All new fluids of all OEM Kubota filters and oils. We've done engine, hydrostat, air, and both fuel filters. Hood's in very nice shape. There is a scuff mark right here, and other than that, very, very clean. Fold up grill guard, locks in place. The loader is in like new condition, which you can see the factory paint's on the edge yet. Turf tire package going to be about 75% all the way around and match. Scalp wheels are all good on the mower deck, and you will see this series, top link is in place, your 3-point arms are on it. Your arms that go from your rock shaft down to your 3-point arms, you will just move those up to the rock shaft if you are not using the bagger system. So that is their 3-point style bagger. Under the bagger, you can see the bags are all in nice condition. The little straps are here. A little cold for them today here to move. Trunk lines are all good. Boots in nice shape. It's not worn anyway. Again, deck's in very nice shape. I'll show you some controls. PTO cover is here. Got your little toolbox here with cigarette lighter plug. Joystick loader control, up a high and low range, 4-wheel drive. Coming over here to your dash, 263 hours. Got your headlights, turn signals 4 ways, forward and reverse on your foot pedal there, and your parking brake. I'm going to go ahead and fire this tractor up. We're going to run around, show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So we're going to illustrate the 4-wheel drive works. I'll go ahead and take the 4-wheel drive out. So that is 4-wheel drive, in and out, low range. We're going to go ahead and go to high range. See the bottom of the bucket's nice. Very nice, clean tractor. We'll go ahead here now. Kick it in. So we are running mid and rear. Bagger's running. Guys, there you have it. Headlights, 4 ways. Got your turn signals. Guys, very nice, clean tractor. Any questions? 814-658-3066. This tractor has remaining powertrain warranty until 9/25 of 2024. So engine, hydrostat, all still have powertrain warranty under them. Will come with books and manuals, 2 keys. It is fully serviced, ready to go to work. Again, as this time being is, we're going to sell it as a package. If someone is interested in just the bagger system, contact us. We can price it separately, but the thing is beautiful shape and a very expensive bagger new. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.